guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually vlogging on my new vlog camera, which I'm really excited about, and I've never had a vlog camera before, so we're doing the damn thing is literally what that means, and I'm just excited. This is surreal, like I was saying if you watched my previous video, but we're doing it. I'm gonna turn this into like kind of like a weekend vlog. I'm not really sure what kind of footage I'm gonna capture. It might just be a mumble jumble of things, but we're gonna just combine a whole bunch of footage, make it a weekend vlog, get comfortable vlogging, and yeah, experiment with this camera. I'm not even sure like what to do. There's like a viewfinder on the side, so if I'm looking at myself, mind your business, but let's get ready for the day. So I'm getting ready. I just took out the braids. They literally have to come out. I've had them in for like 2 days. I redid them. And we just need to do something with this hair. So I'm getting ready to go run some errands. These vlogs are going to consist of a lot of errand running because that's literally what I do with my life. I want to go to Ikea. I want to find a new bed frame. And yeah, that's what we're, oh my gosh, I look absolutely crazy with my hair like this. I mean, it looks great, but we can't go out like this. It seems like the easiest hairstyle for me to do after having my hair literally be that crazy and in French braids for 2 days is a ponytail with probably a braid at the end. Just kind of maneuver it into here. Okay, next part is braiding it. Let's see how well that goes. Never too much a mission, but I love that my hair is longer now compared to like what it used to be because it looked kind of like weird in the braid, to be honest. I also feel like my hair is shedding so much. Definitely need a haircut. I'm so excited to be talking to you guys. This is so fun. It's more the going out in public aspect that I'm a little nervous for, but alright, this is what we're working with. Braid is in. The bottom looks a little discombobulated, but it works. I feel so much more put together. Now we need a little bit of gel. Usually I use this Maui Moisture. If you're coming from my TikToks, you literally know I've been trying to get rid of this gel since like December. I am not the biggest fan. I feel like it doesn't hold my hair, but I feel like the Eco Tools one literally like makes me look like I have dandruff, so we hate that. I was talking on TikTok, and so I was saying on TikTok how like I need to start like trying a little bit more like with my outfits and stuff when I go out, and how like my hair is really the only thing that I care about when I like go out in public. Like if I have no makeup on, I'm okay, but I feel like for some that's like their thing, like they have to put makeup on. No hate. So I was talking to TikTok, like I was talking on my TikTok about how I need to start trying more when it comes to like putting together an outfit and like getting ready and going out, but I just like don't care that much recently. As long as my hair is done, I feel like for me, like I'm fine, I'm ready to go out, but I feel like a cute outfit just like always makes it better, but like I don't want to be like I'm wasting an outfit because that's like not what I'm trying to imply, but if I'm just going to a few places and then coming home and then typically I take it off because sometimes it's uncomfortable, that's like wasting an outfit in my opinion. But I guess it's like the point of making myself feel better, so I need to start doing that. So today is the day. This is my version of me like getting ready. I have like a low crop top on and some running shorts. That's my version of comfortable but not wasting an outfit. So I'm not really sure. We're struggling with that, but we're gonna figure it out because I feel like that's something that like I want to work a little bit more on, to be honest. So thought I would just throw that in there for you guys. So I decided to make myself some lunch. I have like these vegetarian chicken nuggets from Trader Joe's that I absolutely love. So I decided to just throw a few in the air fryer because I have a feeling I'm gonna be hungry once I go out and run my errands, because that's always what happens and I absolutely hate it. So I'm just gonna have it with some Chick-fil-A sauce, some buffalo Chick-fil-A sauce, BRB. But with the zesty buffalo Chick-fil-A sauce because that's actually my favorite sauce from Chick-fil-A, even though I don't eat anything from Chick-fil-A besides the fries and the mac and cheese, but that's still really good. So whatever, lunch is served. Okay, we're in the car. We're going to Amazon. Then we're gonna go meet my mom to go to Ikea. I also forgot that I have this like bag of clothes. I don't know if you can see it, but a bag of clothes that I went to Plato's for, and then they literally only gave me 20 bucks for like 7 pieces. Don't even know what they gave, like what they took, but I need to somehow get rid of these clothes. So I might either donate them or maybe find like another kind of consignment shop that will take clothes like that. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do, but let's go to Ikea. I feel like I keep looking at the viewfinder. I need to look forward, not to the side. Anyways, let's go. I'm actually laughing because I just like realized as I pulled up to the UPS store that I keep saying I'm going to Amazon. I'm not going to Amazon, I'm going to the UPS store, but I consider that Amazon because that's where I always return all my Amazon stuff. My boyfriend makes fun of me for it all the time. He's like, you're not going to Amazon, you're going to the UPS store. But it's fine. So anyways, we just went to the UPS store and dropped off my Amazon returns and now I'm gonna go meet my mom. We are with Mama Dukes now. We are going to Ikea and then the mall?
No, Starbucks first.
Okay, Starbucks. Homegirl wants Starbies, so we're gonna go do that. I'm excited for Ikea. I hope we find something.
I hope so too, for your sake. Or
whatever.
Mayfair.
She's so
Mayfair.
mean. It's a Wayfair.
Oh, I thought it was Mayfair.
It's a Wayfair.
Sorry.
Me and Mom made it to the mall. She got her Starbucks. She's excited now.
Feel better now.
we went into Abercrombie. They don't have anything. And then we're gonna go into Forever 21. And then we're going to Ikea. Okay guys, so we're cruising around. We ended up in the plant section of Ikea, but we're now leaving. We found like 2 bed frames that we think we like. But the thing is, we need to take the measurements because there's one on Amazon that I like, but I'm not sure if the measurements are good. That hammock is cute. Whoa, look at that chair.
I know, it's cool.
$99. Anyways, now where are we going? Home?
Home.
Dinner.
Dinner.
Tacos.
Ew.
Girl, bye. We'll see you at home when I'm eating my tacos, or maybe if I do something else interesting, which will probably be nothing because my lip is born. Okay, I'm back in my car. I'm going home and then we're gonna meet for dinner and then we're gonna go to this like place near my house. I've never been, but my mom's been to it and I'm excited because they have like tacos, like veggie tacos, burritos, she said, and it's really good. So I don't know, I'm just really hungry. Done with dinner. We met the boyfriend's here.
The boyfriend? Boyfriend has a name.
The boyfriend, Jim. So I've been home for like, I want to say like maybe like 30 minutes now, and I've just been chilling on my floor. I don't know if you guys do this, but sometimes when I come home, I literally just lay on the floor and just go on my phone. I don't know why I do this, but I don't know. So I'm actually gonna go shower and then I think I'm going to download the footage from today and play around with it and start editing it because I want to see what it looks like on this new camera and I'm excited and hopefully it looks good and I'm not just filming for anything. So if you see this, hey, you made it. We did it. The camera is working amazing and phenomenal. I was worried about the battery life, but so far I've vlogged like a decent portion of my day and the battery life seems to still be good, and that was a decent like factor, I guess you could say, into like what people had to say about it. Was a very big factor into what people had to say and feedback about the camera. So far I think it's on my side, but I guess we'll go from there and see how often we truly have to like charge the camera. I'm just excited to see the quality of this footage because this camera is supposed to have very good quality. But I will maybe get back to you after my shower, or maybe we'll see tomorrow. Let's see what happens.